tricep kickbacks. For tricep kickbacks, we're going to use a little bit of equipment for this exercise. We've got here 2 dumbbells. You can also use 2 water bottles, resistant bands, anything with a little bit of resistance or weight. You also can do it completely without any equipment. Same exercise, we just got to concentrate then a little bit more on the tension. Okay, so I'm going to here use the dumbbells. We're going to have your feet shoulder width apart, a little bit in the knee, and we're going to bend slightly forward from the hips, keeping the back nice and straight. From here, we're going to pull the elbows up until they're sitting nicely on the back, on the lap. From here, we're going to simply extend the arms, tensing the triceps, and bringing your hands, the dumbbells, or the water bottles as far back as we can. So you want to lock out that elbow and really concentrate on the tension in the tricep.